Hey, come on, boys. Time to get up.
Alright, Hudson, you ready to go skydiving, or what is it? What is he doing?
Hang gliding.
Are you ready to go hang gliding, bro?
Hell yeah.
Before you lift off, and he asks like if you're ready, you should say, hell yeah.
Alright, you have to say hell yeah right before you take off. Dude, he's so scared.
Shout out to everybody, I know my family. I'll see you guys.
Who do you love right now?
Love all you guys. I will probably not see you ever again.
All right.